Hi guys, so this is a little tour. Saan man kayo makikita kasi dumaan kami sa kabilang daan, sa kabilang side. This is the court, obviously. House na wala namang nakatira. Mga basketball player na di naman marunong. And wala na. Ano pa mo makikita mo dito? Ngayon po yung jogging kayo. Mga nagja-jogging, bakit ganun? Kailangan may camera muna sila bago sila tumakbo.
For the race.
Mga ganun. Hi guys, sumatakbo tayo. So ngayon, happy na tayo makatapos ng isang lap. No, kahit madilim. Look.
Mas maliwanag na isa.
Yeah, of course. That's my bap right there. Training sila ng basketball gabing-gabi, kala mo kinagali. Jokes. Hey doggy dogs. Ang stable niyan. Look. See that? Bap bap. The camera is so stable. Just look at it. Stable as shit. And we're home na. I know, right?
Gilam, baby.
Maliligo ako. It's so init. I cannot take it anymore. Here, a little and a short guide paano makakauwi sa bahay namin. Just follow these steps. Lakad-lakad ka lang dyan. Then, liko. Then, uwi. So, that's all, Bob.